I'm Dinaz, and I belong to Assam. I am from the city of Guwahati in Assam, the capital, and I've grown up in Assam. My parents, my father's a doctor, and my mother's a teacher. And I've lived in Assam until my undergrad, and after class 12, I moved to Pune, where I did my graduation from Symbiosis, and after that, I did an MBA, a PGDBA actually, from Symbiosis again, and after that, yeah. So before my PGDBA, I kind of did my first job. It was at Google in Hyderabad, and after my first job, I left that when I was actually seeing an army officer for quite some time. Right after my graduation, all through my graduation, I was seeing an army officer. So he is about 9 years older to me. My husband is 9 years older to me, and so after years of seeing each other, we decided to marry. But we came from very different cultures. He's Sindhi and I'm Assamese, and so we decided to convince our parents. And we managed to do it after an initial battle of both the families not agreeing because we were very different culturally. And but after the parents met, it kind of became more of an arranged marriage than a love marriage. And then because he was so much older, we had to get married sooner. Even before that, talking about my love for travel, I think my father is a big history buff. So I have learned a lot about different places and different dynasties in India from him. And during our very planned holidays, as during my childhood, we used to go to different cities, and then we used to go to various museums, forts, and he used to explain that this ruler used to be there, and this was the Mughal kingdom or the Chola kingdom or this dynasty was there, and I got very interested in all of that and history per se. And I remember my first trip to like the Birla Planetarium, or I remember my first trip to the zoo, or my first beach experience in Madras. These are very vivid memories that I have as a child, and I think that initial fear of traveling to an unknown place got broken because of my parents. My boyfriend at that time and now husband is an avid traveler and travel buff, and he introduced me to the concept of risk-taking travel or adventure traveling. So he, being a biker, being a backpacker since many years, has been doing a lot of solo trips and a lot of adventure tourism. So he and I used to also go on a lot of trips together. And during my college days also, I also took off on my own for a couple of trips. And after we got married, we went to a lot of unplanned trips. We went on trips where we wouldn't know where we would stay, where we would sleep and everything. And we used to be on bikes for days or in the car for days, and we used to just see how it takes us. So I think that kind of broke my initial fear of how it will happen if I don't have a plan B. What will happen? So that's how my entire love for traveling, and I would say of being curious, started.